Room service, please.
Go sit on one of your hoods, Russell. Housekeeping. Oh, no, try wait. You punk, throw me off. Room service. Can I help you?
This is Mr. Fogarty in room 1225. I'd like to order some dinner.
Huh?
This is Mr. Fogarty. I'd like to have my dinner sent up to my room 1225.
And what was your room number?
1225.
One more time, please.
1225.
1225. That's a Mr. Frogtree.
Fogarty.
Can I help you, Mr. Frogtree? Can't find it. Russell, cool it. I'm trying for thing. Now, wait.
I'd like to order some dinner and have it sent up to my room, please.
And what room was that?
Room 1225. This is Mr. Fogarty. I'd like to have my dinner sent up to my room 1225.
Okie dokie. And what would you like?
I'd like a cheeseburger deluxe, French fries, and a chocolate malt.
Okay, so that's a cheeseburger deluxe, French fries, and a choricha. Hey, Russell, you get pen?
What?
Pen.
Yeah, in my hair,
Pen. For crying out loud, pen. Yeah, pen. Confront it. Okay, now, so that's what?
A cheeseburger deluxe, French fries, and a thick chocolate malt.
Burger deluxe. Excuse me, but you want the hamburger deluxe with cheese on the top? Wait. Try. You want now the hamburger deluxe with cheese on the top, or one cheeseburger deluxe?
A cheeseburger deluxe.
Okay. And would you like that with or without cheese?
With
What?
cheese. Cheese.
Oh, why you never say that in the first place? One side or the cheese?
No!
Wow. Hey, Russell, this burger giving me heat.
Hey, go slap his head.
No, get uptight, sir. I was just trying to take your order.
Look, a cheeseburger deluxe, French fries, and a thick chocolate
No go so freaking fast. Cool your jets. What you think this is? Automation.
I'd like a cheese...
I get them already. And what else?
French fries and a chocolate malt.
Choy. We get special today, you know.
What is it?
Oh, no. I think we get two kinds. Two kinds we get, yeah.
What are they?
Number one is pickled pig's feet with Spanish rice on mashed potatoes. Your choice of dressing on top the fruit cup and bread or toast. Hey, Mento! Oh, not you, sir. What's Russell? What you gonna cook for number two special?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
You gonna get him and you wait till I tell the supervisor. Oh, that's it, sir. Only that one.
I prefer my original order.
Oh, and what was that?
Cheeseburger, French fries,
Oh, yeah, right. You sure you know like the pickled pig feet, huh?
Yes.
Oh, no, you know.
Thank you.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Really? Positive?
You sure?
You still on the phone?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, okay, I was just checking, yeah? So let me repeat that order one more time, yeah? Hello?
Wish you would.
That was one cheeseburger deluxe with a side order cheese, French fries, and a chocolate malt. Is that right? Hello? Oh, Russell! God funny, Oh, Russell, God funny! Stop that, Russell! God funny, you do that again, I'm gonna come in your Alice! Oh, my! Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, the guy was Russell. What a pest. So where were we? Hello? Tourists.